On my 2005 Cayenne Turbo, the air oil separator is located here on the right hand side of the engine. The idea of an air oil separator is to extract the oil from the air before it's sent back to the intake manifold and put it someplace where it won't cause a problem, either back in the crankcase or in a small receptacle called a catch can. When the air oil separator fails, it will no longer separate the oil from the air. When this happens, oil is sent back into the intake manifold where it will be burned off like fuel. This can cause a number of issues, like white smoke, poor engine performance, fouled spark plugs, and in some extreme cases, clogged catalytic converters. Considering the labor and time involved in changing spark plugs and catalytic converters, I've decided it's a smart move to preemptively replace my AOS. Remove this engine cover in order to gain access to the AOS. Give it a firm pull straight up and it should come right off. In order to remove the breather hose, squeeze the two tabs like so and pull straight back. Next, remove the plastic cover to the AOS. I carefully used a screwdriver to pry the cover over the plastic tabs. You'll want to be very careful when doing this, as the cover is made of plastic and can break very easily. It took me almost 15 minutes to get the cover removed. Install a diaphragm with the support plate into the cover. Carefully place the cover over the canister while making sure the spring lines up with the diaphragm. Once everything is lined up, press the cover into place. You are now done. See, that wasn't so bad. If anyone is wondering, my local Porsche dealer quoted me almost $2,500 to replace the AOS on my 2005 Cayenne Turbo. Yikes! Thankfully, we have some aftermarket solutions that allow us to install just the diaphragm instead of needlessly replacing the whole valve cover. If you have any questions on how to replace your AOS diaphragm, leave them in the comments section and I'll do my best to answer them. If you'd like to see more Cayenne DIY videos, make sure you hit that like button. So long.